Hi everybody, it's the Soap Man and it's time to make some soap. So as you probably guessed by the title, I am making a soap that is fragranced with orange cognac from Nurture Soap. I have not used this, I'm testing it, therefore I have the smaller bottle using my tall skinny mold. I reviewed this about 4 weeks ago on Nurture Soap's website, and probably within an hour of that, Ellen from Ellen Rue Soap put up a video where she used this and she also gave it great reviews. So I'm looking forward to it, and I can't describe it, I really can't, but it smells fantastic. I love it. So for the orange, I'm using my go-to, which is Orange Vibrance, and I'm going to bump this up with Brambleberry's Tangerine Wow. That just gives it a little more vividness and makes it stable, keeps it really nice and stable. And for the cognac, I don't drink it all anymore, but I've actually never had cognac, but I do know that it is a brown alcoholic. I'm not sure if it's a liquor or liqueur, so I'm using Nurture Soap's Mocha Brown for the brown to represent the cognac. And then I'm just having some white to separate it, just kind of to separate the colors, and I'll have some frosting on top. And I think that is enough talk, so let me get everything ready and I'll be right back. Alright, I have my soap divided out. My frosting is sitting there out of the way so nothing happens to it. So, to keep things as fluid as possible, let's start with the brown because it is a mica. And micas generally do not accelerate your trace. And I don't want this a dark brown, so I'm going to be a little cautious. I'm going to go probably with about a half a teaspoon. I'd rather have a light brown than this. Give that a stir and see what that looks like. And I got a dark brown anyway, but I'm glad I didn't put any more. Okay, so there is our brown. And I could put some TD in, but then I'm afraid it'll look like chocolate milk, and that's not what I want. So we're just going to leave it just like it is. So, let's do, I'm going to have to stick blend the orange. Let's do our white now because this is pre-mixed. This is just titanium dioxide mixed in water. Give that a quick stir. And our orange. So, the Orange Vibrance is a mica, but it isn't terribly stable, which is why I put the Vivid Neon into it. So let's go ahead and put a full teaspoon of that, stir it in. And for the Tangerine Wow, I'm actually not going to stir it in because it's not a mica, it's a powder that really needs to be stick blended. So I'm going to just put it right on the top and wait until I stick blend this, which I'm getting ready to do. This is so unbelievably vivid. I mean, just that little bit is all it's going to take to lighten that up and make it stable. So let's give these a stick blend to finish emulsifying them. I will go lightest to darkest. So let's do our white, give it a few pulses, and mix that titanium dioxide in and brighten it up. Looks so much better. And then let's do our orange to mix that powder in and emulsify it. Just trap that under the stick blender head and burp it a little. Wow, that brightens it up. Goodness mercy. And then let's do our brown. Looking good. Now Now let's see how our fragrance does, which I have total confidence it's going to do very well. I'll probably pour in this order, let the white go in the center to help break it up a little bit. So I'm going to pour a fourth, a fourth, a fourth, and save a fourth for the frosting, maybe just a splash more, because I do know I can use this entire bottle. Now that's kind of an orange oil, so it did darken, kind of somewhat darkened the white, but we'll see what happens after it saponifies. Not much I can do now. Of course, it won't show up in the orange or in the brown, and it's behaving beautifully, like I figured it would. No ricing, no acceleration. So my main thing is, will it stick? Which I kind of have a feeling it will. So let's give these a quick stick blend to bring it to the consistency that I like, since it's behaving very well. Behaving very well. So once again, lightest to darkest, give this a quick stick blend. I should give it a pretty moderate one because it's really behaving beautifully. That's still just a little thin for my liking. I'm going to shut this down for a minute and I'll be right back. Alright, now I think we're ready, because I'm just going to drop swirl these in. No hanger. Once again, this is not necessary. I just find this very satisfying, and it flattens the top, makes it nice and smooth and ready to accept our frosting. And as you can probably tell, that is too thin to do anything with, so I'm going to wait for that to thicken before I mix the frosting up, and then I'll bring this back. Cut our soap. So I'm not sure the two-tone frosting was a good thing. It has kind of a Halloween thing, but you know what? Nothing I can do about it. And actually, with the darker brown than I anticipated, it might work just fine. So let's see what we have. Yeah, it kind of looks like a fall soap, but it's okay. I like it. It does smell nice. It's a little soft. Okay, that's what I have this week. So overall, I'm really pleased with these. Fragrance smells really nice, behaves beautifully, so let's just hope that it retains its scent. And if it does, it will get a 5-star review because I'm really pleased with it and with the way the soap turned out. So I will probably have a hot process video mid next week, but that's what I have for now. Thanks for watching. Stay safe, take good care of yourselves, and be blessed. See you later.